Okay, we've got our test loaf here out this morning. This loaf was a combination of the 4 different doughs that we tested yesterday. And I put 100 grams of whole wheat starter in it and some salt. So it's cold out of the fridge. It feels like it rose pretty good overnight. So I'll let it warm up a little bit and then we'll bake it off. Okay, I think this loaf is ready. Poke test is nice. When you poke your finger in, it comes out slowly, but it doesn't fill out all the way. So the whole thing, if you feel it with your whole hand, it feels nice and soft and bubbly, but still firm enough to where I can tell it's not over fermented. I'll dip my blade in some water to help it go through the dough more easily. And I'll have it at a slight angle, go about halfway there, and not quite halfway, well, just about. And now I'll pop that into the oven. The oven at 480 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will be putting it in there for 15 minutes. Then we'll take off the hatch and allow it to continue to bake. Let's take off the hatch and see how it's doing. It's looking great in there. Woo! It's about touching the top. Whoa! That looks great. I think I'll just turn it around. Back in. Now it can crisp up. Put the timer back on for 15 minutes and we'll bake it a little bit longer. Let's see how our bread's doing. Take a look at that. That really came out beautiful. So that's our loaf from the 4 different doughs that we put together. Looks like it came out great. So we've got a really beautiful loaf of bread here. Got some nice ears. It's got beautiful oven spring. Real happy with that. And that was just 4 different types of dough thrown together. Add a little sourdough and some salt, and that's what we did with our test. Really happy with that. So if you're doing some tests, see what you can do with the dough. Throw it together and make some bread. Flat bread is always an easy thing to make. Make up some tortillas or pita bread. And with some of the tests, we might just do that. We'll call it our 4-flour bread. Can't wait to see how yours came out.